Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 5 triangle and its properties, exercise 4, fifth question. So this is the given figure, Nana. From this figure here given angle ADB is equals to 104 degrees and angle C is equals to 65 degrees. Okay, the given hint is angle BAD BAD is equals to 3 angle DBA. So DBA annappudu that is x degrees. Okay, BAD annappudu that is angle A. Now see Nana, what I am taking here, angle BAD అంటే సింప్లీ వీ కెన్ రైట్ ఇట్ యాజ్ ఏ యాంగిల్ ఏ. యాంగిల్ బ్యాడ్నే ఎలా రాయొచ్చు? సింప్లీ యాంగిల్ ఏ. ఓకే, సో యాంగిల్ బ్యాడ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 3 యాంగిల్ డిఏబి మీన్స్ వాట్ నాన్న? డిబిఏ మీన్స్ దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ నాన్న? x degrees. So that is equals to 3x degrees. Now I am writing here 3x degrees. So you try to consider a triangle BAD. In triangle BAD, for your understanding purpose, BAD annappudu you try to, in question triangle BAD annappudu only you consider this one. Okay, that is what nana? Angle BAD means angle BAD plus angle DBA plus angle ADB. Angle ADB is equals to 180 degrees. Clearly ikkada angle BAD annappudu angle A, angle DBA annappudu angle B, angle ADB you consider it as a angle D. Okay, now see angle BAD means that is what nana? Angle BAD is 3x degrees plus angle DBA means that is what nana? X degrees plus angle ADB that is what nana? Here 104 degrees is equals to 180 degrees. Now what I am doing here, transposing 104 degrees to RHS side, adding these two, 3x plus x what nana? That is 4x degrees is equals to 180 degrees minus 104 degrees. Then 4x degrees is equals to 180 minus 104 means that is 76 degrees. Then transposing 4 to RHS side, then what happened here? X degrees is equals to 76 degrees by 4. Okay, 4 ones are 4 nines are, means we get x degrees is equals to what? 19 degrees. X degrees is equals to 19 degrees means I want 3x degrees. X degrees ante the meaning of x degrees what ra? That is angle DBA. That is what nana? Angle DBA is equals to x degrees, that is equals to 19 degrees. Angle BAD is equals to 3x degrees, that is equals to 3 into 19 degrees is equals to 57 degrees. Okay na students? So ikkada vachesi angle BAD vachesi 3x degrees means 57 degrees, angle
19
DBA means that is 19 degrees. Now see from the figure, okay, from the figure, angle ADB plus angle CDB is equals to 180 degrees, that is linear pair. You try to observe the angles, two angles. This is 104 degrees. I am taking for your understanding purpose. This is y degrees. These two angles are the adjacent angles, angle ADB, CDB. These two angles having the common arm DB and common vertex is D. So these two angles measures what? 180 degrees. That is a linear pair. So angle ADB means that is 104 degrees plus angle CDB means that is y degrees is equals to 180. Then transposing 180 means RHS side, y degrees is equals to 180 minus 104 degrees, that is equals to 76 degrees. So now I get here what? That is 76 degrees. This time what I am doing here, considering triangle BDC. Okay now, what I am doing here, in triangle BDC, you observe clearly angle D means that is what? Simply we can write that is angle CDB plus angle DBC plus angle BCD is equals to 180 degrees. Clearly ikkadunna 76 degrees, ikkadunna BEC యాడ్ చేస్తే యాంగిల్ CDB అన్నప్పుడు 76 degrees. యాంగిల్ DBC అంటే దట్ ఈస్ యూ డోంట్ నో, ఈ యారో మార్క్ ప్లేస్లో ఏ యాంగిల్లో తెలియదు మనకి. సో దట్ ఈస్ యాంగిల్ DBC ప్లస్ యాంగిల్ BCD మీన్స్ దట్ ఈస్ 65 degrees is equals to 180 degrees. 76 plus 65 means what? That is 7 plus 6, that is 141 degrees. 76 degrees, 65 degrees. That is what? ఈ two angles add చేస్తే we get 141 degrees plus angle DBC is equals to 180 degrees. Now 141 degrees is transposing to RHS side. Angle DBC is equals to 180 minus 141 degrees means that is 39 degrees. So what I am getting here, that is 39 degrees. Here x degrees means in previous we get that is what? 19 degrees. Now if I want angle B కావాలనుకుంటే in triangle ABC lo, if I want angle B, I am going to add the two angles, that is 90 degrees plus 39 degrees. 9 plus 9 18, that is what? 58 degrees అనేది వచ్చేస్తుంది. Is it clear? So like this we find. Yes. Okay students, now the sixth main, find the values of x and y in the following figures. So this is the first diagram. So I am going to give the name. The triangle name is triangle BJP. What is the triangle name? Triangle BJP. In this, angle B is equals to 70 degrees, angle J is equals to x degrees, angle P is equals to y degrees. Clearly here given from the figure, BJ is equals to BP. Okay, the side BJ is equals to side BP. So these two sides are equal. So we know at the time of introduction, in a triangle the lengths of two sides are equal, then the triangle is called the isosceles triangle. See here, these two sides are equal, then the opposite angle of side BJ is y degrees and the opposite angle of side BP is x degrees. These two sides are equal, then angle J is equals to angle P. Angle J is equals to angle P. Now see Nana, angle B plus angle J plus angle P is equals to 180 degrees because of angle sum property of a triangle. Yes or no? The sum of the three angles in a triangle is equals to 180 degrees. That is angle sum property of a triangle. Already we know that. Now angle B means that is 70 degrees plus angle J means that is x degrees plus angle P means that is y degrees is equals to 180 degrees. Just now I said the two sides are equal in length, then the two angles also equal, means that is equals to x degrees is equals to y degrees. Yes, angle J is equals to angle P means x degrees is equals to y degrees. So now what I am doing, in the place of x degrees I am going to substitute y degrees. Then 70 degrees plus, in the place of x degrees what I am writing, y degrees, because of these two angles are equal, plus y degrees is equals to 180 degrees. 70 degrees plus 2y degrees is equals to 180 degrees. Then transposing 70 to RHS side, 2y degrees is equals to 180 minus 70 degrees. Then 2y degrees is equals to 180 minus 70 means 110 degrees. Then y degrees is equals to 110 degrees by 2 to 1 ja 255 sir. Therefore we get x degrees is equals to y degrees is equals to, that is what, 55 degrees. Okay students, so like that you too try the remaining problems in this mail. Thank you students.